Q for quince, R for raspberry, S for strawberry, T for tangerine, U for ugly fruit, V for vuanga, W for watermelon, X for xanthosaurus, or B for helium, Z for yuzu, Z for Sisyphus.